This is Chef Deborah. I'm here again, and I will give you again another new recipe and another video for you to learn. It's another blueberry recipe, and I make a pie for you today because blueberry is one of my favorite fruits. In this recipe, I'll make the shortcrust little bit sweeter than usual. But it's up to you. If you want to reduce the sugar, you can do it. Just reduce some sugar, and you can add also if you want. I added more sugar with this recipe because I really love a sweet short crust. Because making a crust is not very complicated. It's very easy. Even you add sugar or reduce sugar, nothing will be happen. This is very easy to prepare, and I know you can do it. Watch my video and enjoy baking with me. For the short crust ingredients, we need 500 grams of flour, 240 grams of white sugar, 2 eggs, 2 grams of salt, and 250 grams of butter. For the procedure, add the butter to the flour and blend it together. And then, add all the ingredients together and continue blending until incorporated. And knead it to make a dough. After kneading, form like a ball and then chill it for 30 minutes. Now, we can prepare the pie fillings. We need 200 grams of white sugar, 300 grams of blueberry peelings, 50 grams of corn flour, 250 ml of water. Put all together to the pot all the ingredients. I always put the corn flour in advance before heating because if it's already hot, it's coming more lumps. Simmer in a medium heat until it becomes thick. Ready. Take out from sugar, divide it into two. This short crust, I'm not using the rolling pin. Why I'm not using a rolling pin? Yes, I'm not using a rolling pin because when I lifted the dough, it coming broken. It will be better to flatten the short crust dough to the pie pan evenly. You can put any decoration on the rim of the pie. now, I'm using the fork to form a stripe design. And now, I'm breaking the short crust dough to allow to escape the steam during baking. Pre-bake for at least 10 minutes before putting the filling. While waiting, now I can prepare the egg wash. I want to use only the egg yolk for this egg wash. I always use egg yolks for the pies because it gives to the crust a nice shiny. After pre-baking, now we can add the fillings. For the pie, and usually they are using a lattice design, but now I will make it different design. For this pie, I was thinking that we can make a flowers and leaves. Just get a cookie cutter, any cookie cutter that you have. Also, it's up to you what kind of design do you want. For me, I love flowers. That's why I'm making flowers right now. I cannot find my lips cutter. That's why I'm making a lips by the use of the knife. Look at my lips. I want to put some emboss to the petals of the flower. Now look, it's ready. We can now brush the egg wash all over the pie. Now, it's ready for baking. Bake for 180 degrees for 45 minutes to 1 hour. Our blueberry pie is ready. I want to try it now. How it tastes. Like and share this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me in Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching and have a good day.